477 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 477. Therefore, 477 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 15.649606299915 feet. So, in other words, 477 centimeters equals 15.649606299915 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.